Hi Panther Nation, it's Skip back with another tech tutorial. This year, Christmas came early for a lot of us and we received new document cameras. These are handy devices, but they can be tricky because they like to block your conferencing webcam and mic. So let's see what we can do about this. Start with your device on, then plug in the new dock cam. Here's an example of one. It plugs into any USB port. Not only does it light up when it's on, it also has a neat set of LED lights that you can turn on and off to brighten up your subject matter. When plugged in for the first time, you may get a message saying the device is installing, and that's okay. Let's start up a program where you might use a camera, Zoom for instance. When you have a meeting started, you'll see video and audio settings in the lower left corner. If you don't see the video you want to show in your main screen, click on the up arrow to switch cameras. The document camera might be listed as USB 2.0 camera, and your device's conferencing camera is listed as integrated webcam or user-facing camera. Same with the audio, click on that up arrow to select same as system. You'll want to make sure you're using your device's built-in mic. Let's switch over to another common program, Teams. Start a meeting with your dock cam hooked up. Right away there should be video, but you can always switch to your other camera at the start using this button here. In the screen that shows your video, look in the lower right corner for an icon to switch to the other camera during a meeting. It's a good idea to check for proper audio settings in Teams. Click on these three little dots to show your current speaker, mic, and camera. Be sure you're using your computer speakers or headphones. Sometimes the dock camera blocks your system mic, even though the dock camera doesn't have a mic built in. To switch from the phantom dock cam mic over to the system mic, click the down arrow here and choose Same as System, or sometimes it might appear as Microphone Array. Good luck and remember to subscribe.